Hello, my name is Jabari Hinton. I'm a junior food science major here at Alabama A&M University. And I wanted to talk about a topic that really interests me and in the food industry. It's cooking methods. I do have a background in culinary arts, and I found an article that stood out to me about the impact of cooking and home preparation among adults, and how that ties into healthier food choices and obesity in America. So, as you should know, when you cook a food, the nutrients that are within the food are broken down and some are lost, depending on the cooking method. Take vegetables, for instance. If you're cooking broccoli or beans or things like that, when you cook them or overcook them, rather, a lot of nutrients are lost, and you see a color change from that when you overcook green beans or broccoli like that, and you see it become a paler color as opposed to a bright green color. That's an indication that nutrients have been lost. So with that, staying on the same topic, the article written by Marla Rikes from the Department of Food Science and Nutrition at the University of Minnesota. She talks about how families nowadays don't cook or prepare at-home meals anymore. A lot of money and exactly the percentage of money spent on eating out has increased from by 14% from 1970 to 2010, and it has been shown by their experiment in this article that the amount of calories increases by an average of 130 when families go out to eat as opposed to cooking meals at home. And that's also been attributed to cooking skills not being, the families not having the cooking skills necessary to prepare such healthier meals, due to time constraints, and a lot of people being now in the workforce from about 30 years ago. A lot of people don't have the time, or claim to not have the time, to prepare healthier meals at home. So now they resort to eating fast food, buying prepackaged or frozen meals to cook, because they're easier to make. And with growing families with children, cooking a healthier meal that takes a lot of time and skill to prepare is something that a lot of families now are straying away from. For example, a way to combat this, a large-scale cooking initiative called Cooking Matters has partnered with local chefs in different areas to provide families with the training they need to have proper cooking skills, so that they don't feel like they need to go out and pay for meals outside of the home. They'll feel a lot more comfortable preparing healthier meals at home and knowing how to safely and prepare these meals without losing nutritional value. And like I said, that goes with preparing vegetables, not overcooking them, learning how different meal choices and the food groups go together to create a whole nutritious meal that you won't get by going to a fast food chain. So that's an article that I found interesting and in my field of choice. So thank you.